Okay, hi guys. This is actually part 2 of the interface, Max interface. So, okay, beside the in the bottom part of this edit tools and graphs, you will see some of these tools, some of these iconic tools. Okay, so you don't need to know all of them. I will explain the most common and most needed tools that you will need. So let's say I will create a box, right? uh, let's say I will create a box. So you see, this is the this is the viewport direction. I mean the pointer. So if you click on, you see, select mode, so this pointer will behave like this. So this is the, if I maximize the view, so this is the Z value, this is Y value, and this is X value. Okay, so you can click on that, and by the direction you can with the mouse you can change the position of that. Okay, so this is because of the select and move tool. So if you click on select and rotate tool, so it will change and select and rotate option. So you can rotate like this, you can rotate like this, and you can rotate like this, whatever you want. So Control Z. Okay, and this is the scale tool. You see, this is the scale tool. So if you gonna scale down and scale up, okay, you see, so you can one way you can scale up, you can other way you can scale up, this way you can scale up. So you have in the middle part, you can scale it uniformly, but if you want to scale in a direction, so you can do that. Okay, and this is the rotate tool. So these three tools is mostly needed. And this is a link tool. This is a kind of link tool. Let's say I will create a sphere there, and with the link tool, let's say select here, link tool selected, and I just drag and drop this one, you see. So for the for the rectangle, oh no, for the sphere, this rectangle is selected. If I try to move the sphere, let's say the rectangle is moving also. The rectangle is moving, you see. So this is the link tool, and you can obviously unlink that. Yeah, click on both, maybe unlink like that. So this is like, yeah, okay, you have to select them and click on unlink. Okay, and this is the hierarchy tool. If you want to see that how many elements you have, imagine that you have a lot of elements in your viewport, so you can click on that. You can click on hierarchy. So yeah, so all of the elements will be, all of the components will be listed here, so you can select it from there. Let's say the box, click. Okay, the box is selected. So it is very useful in a very heavy scene with lots of components. Okay, and next we have selection tool. Yeah, selection tool. So this is the selection tool. You can select like a rectangle, like a circle, and like polygon and all that. So most of the times the rectangle is okay. Yeah, then the move tool, and move and select tool, rotate tool, and scale tool I already explained, and the view. Okay, so this is like a how you want to see your scene. So view is default, so let's not change that. Maybe world or something. So okay, so this is actually, I prefer to keep it like view. So the view. Okay, next is snapping tool. This snapping tool is very important. I mean this is the snap tool. So toggle snap and the angular snap and the vertex snaps, something like that. If you click on, right button of your mouse, so you can see here that vertex and viewport and midpoint is selected. So what it is, like, let's say I create another one. Okay. Oh, the copy is, if you want to copy that, the thing, so press on shift button and drag anywhere, like this, and a dialog box is open. So copy instance, reference, so the copy. Okay, copy. So this is the copy. Okay, just click anywhere. Z value, X value, press on shift and drag one, so it will give a copy. You see, a copy. So let's say I want to attach it corner by corner. So this vertex to this vertex, this corner to this corner, this corner to this. If you want to do this like this way, this will not be correct thing. Like it can be inserted or something like that. So the way is, select the thing and click on snap tool. Okay, imagine see what happened if I go, see, the vertex is snapping. I mean the vertex is snapping, the corner is snapping, so you can move through a corner like this, you see. So let's say, this corner I have to attach it for here to here. So let's say grab this one to this. Okay, you see, grab this one to this, you see, grab this one to, no, let's say this one to this, you see. So this is the, snapping tool. The option is snapping tool. Very, very important tool. And also the angular snapping. Let's say if I click, let's say you have to rotate this one in a 90-degree angle. So how can you do that? If you are not using the angular, so this is very tough to make a 90-degree. You see, the 90-degree value is very tough. It will be impossible for, if you do it manually. But if you do it with the angular snapping tool, you can do it like this, you see, 90-degree. Or you can do it like a 40-degree. You see the 90-degree thing. Yeah. So this is actually very important. I mean the snap tool and angular snapping tool. Okay. And this one is the mirror tool. This one is the align tool. You have to align. So and the other tools are like this one I will explain in later maybe. And the other tool is, let's say, yeah, let's say the render tool. Okay. Okay. Oh, oh, this one is for material editor. This one is for render. I don't know why it's not okay. Maybe for this thing, I'm very sorry, guys. Okay. Let's say the render, like, yeah. Okay. Okay, if you click on the render button, render tool, so it will make a render scene like this one. It will give you a render like this one. So later I will show you this one. So this panel is very handy. You see, this has a render, this has a material, this has a mirror thing, this has a align tool. I'm sure everybody knows the align tool. Let's say the align is this one to this one. Let's say and show this one to this one. Okay, these two. So click, select these two and make it, let's say do it align. This one to, yeah. Yeah, you see, you click on this this tool. You see the cursor. You see the cursor. Just click on, and you have an align option pop up, like a center to center. Okay, minimize, and center to center. Most of the time is center to center, but you can align it with the axis. I mean, x-axis, z-axis, and all that things. Okay. So, okay, I think for now I will continue later in a part 3. Okay, thank you all. Bye for now.